Hey everyone, we've been brewing something truly remarkable at Clearbot. Meet Aqua-bot. In a remarkable collaboration, we've birthed this ingenious robot designed to safeguard our precious wetlands. And guess what? It even clinched the gold at the prestigious Geneva Inventions Award. But what makes Aqua-bot so special? Well, it's on a unique mission to hunt down and eliminate pesky apple snails and their eggs from our wetlands. These invasive creatures wreak havoc on our ecosystem, decimating native plant species and disrupting the delicate balance of our water bodies. Powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence, Aqua-bot targets these apple snails with surgical precision, ensuring the removal while preserving the biodiversity of our wetlands. Aqua-bot harnesses AI to precisely locate and eradicate these invasive snails and their eggs from our wetlands. Using a clever combination of a jet spray module and a plant agitator module, it proactively clears out these intruders. This isn't just another piece of tech. It's a sophisticated fusion of smart sensors and algorithms analyzing water around it. Aqua-bot distinguishes between harmful snails and their other aquatic life, ensuring targeted removal without disrupting the ecosystem's equilibrium. And here's the best part. This entire system is completely solar charged, making it incredibly automated, requiring minimal human intervention. Have a unique challenge? We've got the expertise to craft a tailored solution just for you. Let's dream big, think boldly, and make a real impact together. Reach out to us today and let's turn your vision into reality.